Hello and welcome to this very brief video to introduce a piece of music I've written called Easy Duets Trios in Friendly Keys. The music is a collection of 5 brief pieces that can be performed as duets or trios, and they function perfectly well either with or without the piano accompaniment. The top 2 parts are for beginners, and then the third part is for a teacher or more advanced student. The music was originally written for flute but also suits violins. I have also done arrangements for alto and tenor saxophone. Notice how the piano part has been kept nice and simple, and of course it's also available as MP3 files. The total duration of all 5 duets trios is about 7 minutes. Make sure you also watch the video about the sister piece to this composition, which unsurprisingly is called Easy Duets Trios in Unfriendly Keys. All of my compositions have been regularly performed and are available for purchase. Visit lexana.uk. For the rest of this video, you can enjoy a medley using brief excerpts from each of the duets. Thank you for watching and listening.